Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Cooking with Convection. I'm Lynn Becker for Tiffin Motorhomes. And today, once again, we're in that fantastic 2020 model of the Allegro bus. It's the 40 IP. What an amazing space, and I love cooking in this kitchen. Today, we're doing a great side dish recipe that many people don't think about incorporating into their diet. It's cauliflower, and we're going to roast it in the convection oven. I love cauliflower. It's really delicious, and it's not that difficult to work with. But sometimes it can be a little hard to digest if you're eating it raw. So what we did for this recipe is I cleaned and cut my cauliflower into bite-sized chunks, and then I parboiled it for 8 to 10 minutes just to make it tender enough to eat. I'm going to start with a little bit of cooking spray on my sheet pan. Just a little. We don't want it to stick, right? Go ahead and dump your cauliflower right onto the pan. Here's my extra virgin olive oil, one of my secret weapons. I hardly cook anything without it. And just drizzle it generously over your cauliflower. Give it a good hit of kosher salt. And here is a great ingredient as well. Some people say paprika, some people say paprika. At any rate, you just need a little sprinkle, not too much. And it's going to give your cauliflower a nice little kick. Toss everything around in your pan to evenly coat. Time for the oven. Don't forget to choose convection. Today we're cooking at 400 degrees for only 20 minutes. And I have a tray that I made earlier. I've already got it plated up. It's really pretty. And it's delicious as well. Perfect. The parboiling makes it nice and tender. I taste the kosher salt. The olive oil really enhances everything. And then that little hit of paprika. You're really going to like this recipe. So try it in your motorhome today and join us for the next episode of Cooking with Convection.